Hello and welcome to Citizen Teachers Rights Weekly Raffle for April 23rd, 2010. Alright, so let's go see what was this week. It was a great week all around, intraday and swing thing. So, Coach Wally indulged this week. Could call a losing trade. It was patience, he said. Patience was the motive there. And it was rewarded 8.5% return, risking 5% on the setup. Winning 15 out of 15 times, so there we go. We missed a good week. On the swing side of things, it was more trades for once. It's probably the first time this happens. More swing trades called in intraday trades. 14 wins, 6 losses, 640 bits. Look at that ROI, 25.1. Smash out of the baseball park. That's what we say. We'll be back there. Intraday. All right, 8.5% on the 180 pips potential. Their potential chart bets, 15 setups. Here they are. So the profit column here is as far as the setup went from the entry point. So you could potentially gotten as many as this tips. The goal here is to get 10 tips per day. If you're risking 5% per setup, you get 10 tips per day. You will get the results. Your money will compound the way we're showing you the power of 10. So that's real powerful here. Here's Wally's trade of the week. It was a setup on the Euro USD. We drew a Fibonacci over here and waited a few minutes, and that triggered. It went the full 8 pip potential in under 3 minutes, went 20 pips under 5 minutes, and that's where it stops. And there you go. Trade of the week. Power of 10 now. 10 pips per day. That's 10 pips per day. Let's go full 5% on it. But get you 10 pips and keep those 10 pips. Start the week at 59.75. Ends up at 64.87. So we're raking over $100 a day now. It's coming in fast. All right, the swing side of things. We're coming in 640 pips. That's a big total, 25.1, and that doesn't even include our 30-30 system, which adds to that another 150 pips. But we're not even going to talk about that. That's something for graduates. That's definitely in the swinging position that I've seen Freddie Griffin talking about the 30-30. Anyways, 20 setups, 14 wins, 6 losers. Out of buy, sell high, and a lifestyle system. So, auto sell high, 190, 15%. Lifestyle system, 450, 10.1%. There we are. So we're not even compounding these results. We're just simply adding them up. So what could happen in your account is much greater than this. We know here's our trade of the week, the Canadian, U.S. Canadian. We actually got a sell signal right on this candle. We actually started getting it. Threatened to get that same sell signal over here. It didn't happen. The next candle actually did happen. We had a stop loss, and we got in as this candlestick began, and we were in for the goods. We got out, started getting out near parity. We had some monthly pivots here at this support. So we took some more profit out of there, and the last lot got taken out, I think, on this wick here. So that was a good 5 to 1 type of trade that occurred for us this week. It was beautiful, and it looks like it might be wanting some more. So we'll see next week on that. As far as money is concerned, what does this all mean? Well, we've got Tommy Trader, and look at his great big smile this week. Tommy is rolling. Tommy's on the road. Yes, he trades 2 accounts, the intraday and the swing trading account. He started $2 grand in each of these accounts at the beginning of the year. Let's see where Tommy's at today. Tommy's been managing the intraday account, simply taking the 10 net pips per day. Tommy doesn't want to spend all day looking at charts. Tommy loves life. And on the swing account, he takes all the potential setups because, hey, there's not that many. And, you know the way to get the trade, it's pretty easy to make time for. There we go. So, last week, we ended up with these amounts. This week, this is the amounts, and the swing account actually came back and surpassed the intraday account. So they've been a little bit tugged back and forth lately, but this is just a beautiful little thing. Here, over $1,869 profit this week between the two. And since the beginning of the year, well, threefold. They're over 9,200 of profits. So, Tommy, I understand your smile there. Maybe you could buy a razor or something. Shave that goatee of yours. All right, here's a flashback of our results. That's a total of 29 wins and 6 losses for the week, and that's 820 pips, over 33.6% compounding. I'm telling you, this was a great week at Teach Me Forex. Give a man a fish he eats for a day, teach him how to fish, he will eat for a lifetime. Tommy got that. Allow us to be your Forex fishing guy, and let's fish together. Help you supplement your current income. One trader at a time. www.teachmeforex.com. That's where you need to visit to find out who we are and be our next team trade group. We can also visit us at www.twitter.com/teachmeforex. Follow us on a daily basis. Let us post our results there on a daily basis. And just email info@teachmeforex.com. Send us your questions. Send us your trades if you want. We'll be there for you. And help us fulfill our vision. Let's be part of the largest team of successful non-currency traders in the world. We want to do that one trader at a time, folks. Indeed. And from the whole team of Teach Me Forex, have a great weekend.